My faceless Instagram accounts have generated over $560,000 in passive income, and I started with zero knowledge just 2 years ago. Now I've turned it into a business that practically runs on autopilot. If you follow the blueprint I'm about to share, there's no doubt you can achieve similar results. Ready to start? Let's dive in. Step 1. Start an Instagram account around something you're passionate about. You'll be spending a lot of time creating content, so it has to be a topic that excites you. If it's not something you enjoy, you'll burn out quickly. I've built successful accounts in niches like travel, sports, health, and fitness. There's an audience for almost anything. Step 2. Download the essential tools to run your account. You'll need a video editor for Reels and a design studio for creating posts. If you're a student, you can grab Adobe Creative Cloud for under $15 per month, which includes Adobe Premiere Pro, Photoshop, and Illustrator. But if you're looking for the easiest and most budget-friendly options, CapCut is perfect for video editing, and Canva is fantastic for creating designs. In fact, I personally used Canva to grow my very first account to over 1.5 million followers. Step 3. It's time to start creating posts. But to do this effectively, we need to understand how Instagram's algorithm works today if you want to go viral and grow quickly. Here's a little secret that might blow your mind. Likes don't matter anymore, or at least they're not what you should be focusing on when creating content. Instagram's algorithm now prioritizes 3 key factors: watch time, how long someone spends looking at your content; saves, how many times viewers save your post; shares, how often your content is shared to someone's story or sent to a friend. Focus on creating engaging content that maximizes these 3 metrics, and you'll see real growth. According to information I found online, the typical time people spend looking at a post on Instagram is between 3 and 5 seconds. This means that viewers don't usually stay long. For saves, it's about 5 saves for every 1,000 impressions, and for shares, it's approximately 2 shares per 1,000 impressions. Think about that. The average Instagram post gets only 3 seconds of attention, and out of every 1,000 viewers, only 2 might share it to their story or with a friend. But here's the intriguing part. Some of my most viral posts have dramatically exceeded these norms, in some cases boosting these metrics by up to 10 times. Why am I sharing this? The point is to show you that by understanding these metrics, you can better craft your clips and posts to maximize their reach and impact. So, with this in mind, let's start creating viral content. First up, I'll demonstrate how to create simple, engaging posts using Canva. For this example, let's assume your channel focuses on motivation. We can jump into Canva and design a post like this. The first slide is crucial. It's bold and compelling enough to make viewers stop and take notice. This slide is known as the hook, and it's designed to grab attention, create intrigue, and entice viewers to learn more. Next, let's leverage ChatGPT to get 7 motivational quotes about success. The great thing about ChatGPT is that you can be incredibly specific. For instance, if your page focuses on sports, you can request quotes from famous athletes or even a particular person. Once you've gathered your quotes, simply copy and paste them into your Canva slides. To take it up a notch, consider adding vibrant colors and relatable graphics to brand your posts. Posts like these often go viral, so you should see significant success. This leads us to step 4, creating viral reels. With TikTok's rise, Instagram has heavily promoted reels to compete, opening up an amazing opportunity for us to grow our audience faster than ever before. Check out these reels that are going absolutely viral. This one alone has amassed over 1.9 million likes and 12 million total plays. What's even more astonishing, their account was launched less than a month ago and has only 9 posts, but it's already racked up over 70,000 followers. And it's not just a fluke. New Instagram accounts are blowing up left and right. For example, this account has just 42 posts, but over 1.1 million followers, all achieved in under 90 days. I even tested this myself and saw over 3 million views on a single meme video, with stats like these after just 2 months. So how can you create viral videos like these? Let's dive in. First, use ChatGPT to get some simple yet powerful motivational quotes. Make sure you choose a quote with a strong hook. Once you've selected your quote, it's time to create a voiceover. You can either record your own voice or use a text-to-speech AI to add a professional touch, especially if you want a voice that perfectly matches the message. For this, we're diving into 11 Labs, the top AI voice generator currently available. With 11 Labs, You can either clone voices or generate your own, adjusting stability and pitch to achieve the perfect sound. Here's a sample of our example.
Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts.
Next, let's bring this quote to life with animation. We'll start by adding a visually appealing background related to the quote. To avoid copyright issues, we'll use Midjourney, a paid service, or you can opt for free alternatives like Stable Diffusion or Leonardo, which are also excellent AI photo generators. Since our quote has 3 key themes, we'll ask Midjourney to create 3 images: a Renaissance-style painting of ancient Greek philosophers, an image representing happiness, and one of someone deep in thought. Once you're satisfied with these AI-generated images, import them into your video editing software. Today, we'll use CapCut, which offers a free and user-friendly version. Drag your images into the timeline, sync them with the audio, and finally, create auto captions by clicking here. Remember, the hook is your chance to ignite maximum interest. It's crucial for capturing attention. This is just one effective style for creating viral content, but stay tuned for future videos where I'll guide you through even more strategies for crafting engaging reels. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. Step 5. Now that you've created your content, it's time to start sharing. But before you hit that share button, run through this quick checklist to gauge how likely your content is to go viral. Ask yourself these questions. Will people stop and look at this for a few seconds? Will people want to share this to their story or with a friend? Will people be inspired to comment and share their thoughts? Will people want to save this to revisit later? Does this content offer real value and substance? If you can answer yes to all these questions, then you've got a potential viral post on your hands. Be sure to screenshot this checklist or revisit this part of the video. This is my golden formula for Instagram growth hacking, and I promise it works. All right, let's dive back into step 5, posting. A solid strategy is to post once a day. You don't want to overwhelm your audience with too much content, but you also don't want to fade into obscurity. Posting too frequently can lead to audience burnout, so my advice is to prioritize quality over quantity. Moving on to step 6, repeat what's working. For instance, I found that my audience really engaged with slide posts, so I focused more on those, and it paid off. Instagram offers valuable insights like reach, traffic sources, and engagement metrics such as likes, shares, and saves. The top Instagram stars are those who analyze these insights and refine their content based on what's proven to work. Finally, step 7, monetize your account. All the effort from the previous 6 steps is worth nothing if you don't find a way to generate income. This is where many creators hit a wall, but let me assure you, it's achievable. I've successfully earned hundreds of thousands of dollars from my Instagram accounts, and you can too. I've discovered several innovative ways to monetize your account, and I'll be revealing all of them in upcoming videos, so make sure you're subscribed. But today, let's focus on one powerful method: advertising. Companies are eager to spend big bucks to target users who are actively interested in their products, and they'd be thrilled to pay thousands of dollars to reach a niche audience like yours. Here's how you can turn this opportunity into a reality. Imagine your account is about investing, similar to others in that niche. You could earn a fortune by partnering with day trading firms or finance apps like Freetrade. Many of these companies are unaware of these niche creators, so it's up to you to make the first move. To set up an advertising deal and start earning thousands, follow these steps. Go to LinkedIn, search for Freetrade Company, and search for the product marketing or social media under people at the company. Connect with them and send a message like this: Hey, Charlotte Leclerc, I manage the Instagram page Finance Alerts, where we've cultivated a highly engaged audience of over 100,000 followers who are passionate about personal finance. I'm currently setting up ad slots for June and was wondering if Freetrade might be interested in leveraging our platform for exposure. Let me know if this sounds interesting. Thanks. This message is direct, friendly, and demonstrates your expertise. You can also attach a media kit with your insights for her review. Once you get a response, you can start negotiating. For context, the most I've been paid for a single post was $3,000. I mention this not to brag, but to show that there's significant potential here. Remember, Instagram is a marathon, not a sprint. While it's tempting to aim for viral success with the perfect posts, consistency is key. Focus on posting something every day that's better than the last. Many people give up too soon, but if you stay consistent, you'll outlast the competition, which is a far more attainable goal. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Our upcoming videos will show you how to build a successful YouTube channel without ever showing your face. Let's get started.